Before you decide whether a DVR-based system is right for your home or shop, here's the complete truth in one clean and detailed breakdown that feels like a 1-minute review but gives you the depth of a full 5-minute explanation. A DVR digital video recorder is built for analog or HD analog CCTV cameras that send video through coax cables. When the signal reaches the DVR, it converts that analog feed to digital, compresses it using H.264 or H.265 and stores it on a hard disk, allowing you to watch footage anytime through live view playback or backup. DVRs have improved dramatically in 2025. They now support multiple signal formats: AHD, TVI, CVI, CVBS, making them universal recorders for almost any analog camera. These recorders support 1080p, 4MP, 5MP, and even 8MP HD cameras over coax, making them excellent for users upgrading old systems without replacing wiring. DVRs usually include motion detection, privacy masking, password protection, network viewing, and cloud P2P access through mobile apps. They're extremely reliable because they don't depend on IP addresses, switches, or complex networking. Just plug in the cable and the camera works. They shine in shops, small offices, petrol pumps, godowns, schools, and homes where simple security is needed. But the question is, are DVRs the best choice today? The answer depends on your need. If you want maximum clarity, advanced analytics, AI tracking, people counting, color night vision, and flexible installation, then NVR or IP systems are far ahead. But if your priority is reliability, simplicity, lower cost, and ease of installation, then DVR is still one of the most dependable solutions. So yes, DVR is best for users who want affordable, stable CCTV without network complications, while power users and large setups should move toward NVR for advanced performance.